In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two cells in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and then open the workbook that contains the worksheet you want to work on. Once you're in the correct sheet, find the cells you want to merge. This can be two cells side by side or even multiple adjacent cells if you need a larger merged area. The key thing is that the cells need to be next to each other for the merge options to work properly. Next, click and drag your mouse to select the cells you want to combine. Take a moment here to confirm that you've highlighted the correct cells before moving on. This is important because merging changes the layout of those cells, and if more than one selected cell contains information, only part of that content will remain after the merge. After selecting the cells, go up to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Home tab. This is where you'll find most of the common formatting tools, including the merge options. In the alignment group, look for the button labeled Merge and Center. Clicking Merge and Center will combine the selected cells into one larger cell and place the existing content in the center. This is a common choice when you want to create a title across several columns or make a section header look cleaner and more organized. If you don't want the text centered, click the drop-down arrow next to Merge and Center instead of clicking the main button directly. This gives you a few different options. Merge and Center combines the cells and centers the text. Merge across merges cells in each selected row separately, which can be useful when working with multiple rows at once. Merge cells combines the cells without centering the content, and unmerged cells reverses the process, splitting a merged cell back into individual cells if you need to make changes later. Once you choose the option you want, review the result on your worksheet. The selected cells will now appear as one larger cell. One very important thing to remember is that if multiple selected cells contain data, only the value in the upper left cell is kept. Any content in the other selected cells is removed. Because of that, it's a good idea to back up your data or double check the selected cells before merging, especially if they contain important information. And that's how to merge two cells in Excel.